Hey everyone, welcome back to our Forex midweek forecast. This is for the week of 13 to the 17th September 2021. So all we're doing today is we're just gonna go over on the video that we created on Sunday. So this is just a follow-up about our Forex midweek forecast. So here you are trading with Teamwitherving. Our website, it's the following, is TWEforexsystem.com. Once again, guys, if you guys want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss any video from our channel. So let's go. Let me show you what the market is doing, guys. So we're gonna be doing the before and after, and let's get to work. All right, so on Sunday we gave you guys AUD USD, and we told you the following. We told you the market will still have room to drop down, retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line, and boom, market came exactly and hit that location. From there, I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci line, a bit shy but still accurate. The signal here is still pretty accurate. And then what else did I say? I said the market was gonna continue selling down. So bingo, guys, I'm super excited to tell you the analysis that I gave you on AUD USD is top notch. So here trading multiple time frame is super easy, guys. Hopefully you guys will find value today on how to use multiple time frame. If you do have any question, please let us know. And remember one thing, guys, which is very important for everyone, is, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. Remember, the most important thing, guys, about this is do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. Every trade is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, guys, and you guys need help, all you have to do is the following, guys, is you can either join our gold membership. The link is in the description in this video, where you're gonna be watching me how I break down and how I do the weekly analysis. So you will learn so much out of it. Or if you don't want to do that and you want to grab our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do it. The link is also on the description of this video. So hopefully you guys join us. If you do join on any of this package, guys, please let me know so I can give you full access, so you can have access to all the data that it is available. All right, hopefully that makes sense. All right, the next pair that I gave you guys on Sunday was the following, guys. I gave you AUD USD Canadian. What did I say on AUD Canadian? Oh, I knew, guys, the market here, multiple time frame, was letting us know the market was in a sell position. What was our TW sniper entry letting us know? That we were also selling. So here, bottom line, guys, we did have a continuation of that sell here. So on Sunday, all I said on Sunday was, guys, the market still had room to go all the way, retest this previous multiple time frame red arrow. Here it came a little bit shy, but still perfect drawing in there. And then what else did I say? Market will continue selling down. The reason is why it's selling, because the sellers at this present time are taking over. If you do see here, we do have a trade at this present time which it has 538.7 pips earned so far. So that means that could be $5,000, could be $50, $53, but there is money in there to be made. Look at the dashboard, guys. Everything here, it is selling. Beautiful sell position, and that's what our multiple time frame is letting us know. The market here, it is selling. Guys, come and join us, and so hopefully you guys can start making pips with us. The next pair that I give you guys was Euro GBP. I told everyone on the Euro GBP on Sunday, guys. Remember, Euro GBP here is selling. Look at this one. This is new here. Our TW sniper entry is selling as well. So all I knew here, guys, was the market was in a sell position. On Sunday, I said, guys, the market's gonna come back and retest your 61.8 Fibonacci level. Perfect hit. Look at that. Boom. And what else did I say from there? I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 38 Fibonacci line, which it did. And then I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 50, and that's what it's doing right now. Real time, real data, guys. The market is doing exactly what I'm telling you. Always pay attention to your dashboard. Look at your dashboard, guys. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour is selling. So everything here is selling. So let's say you love to trade on 1 hour. So we can go to 1 hour time frame, and guess what? 1 hour time frame is also selling, because the dashboard is real data, guys. Is reading reality. Whatever is happening in real time, it is what it is. So that's what you are gonna be seeing. Look at this beautiful sell. Boom, market is doing exactly what I'm telling you here. So super excited for that, guys. So hopefully you got everything makes sense in here. So I screwed up the this one here. Let me put it here. Yep, that's what it was. So it's doing exactly what I told you guys. But remember, guys, market here is getting ready to do the following. If I had to analyze this market all over again, I will say the following. I will say this one, guys. Let me do it here. I will say the market is getting ready to be in a buy position. All right, because remember, the trend here, it is bullish, guys, which the market is just giving us a pullback. So pullback is still very valid. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, come and join us, guys. The link is on the description of this video, so you are more than welcome to either join our gold membership on YouTube, or either you can grab our multiple time frame. The link is on the description of this video, or either you can go straight up to our website, which is TWEforexsystem.com. All right, let's move on to the next pair that I gave you guys on Sunday. The next pair that I gave everyone was Euro USD. I think I correct this one live on Sunday, guys, because I think I made a mistake, and I said, guys, the market here still has potential to keep going down, which it did. But remember, here the buyers are in charge, guys. I just want you to remember one thing. Euro USD, the buyers are taking over at this real time. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard's still green, so that means the buyer's still in charge. So all I was seeing on Sunday was the market was giving us a pullback as a sell position, so that buyers were not yet taking over yet. So I said market still had potential to retest mid 38 to your 50 Fibonacci line, which it came in a bit shorter, lower than that, which is fine. It came and retested your previous multiple time frame in here. Nothing wrong with that. And then I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci line, and boom, it hit exactly what I told you. And I'm super excited for that, guys. We should all celebrate, because when this thing happens, guys, that means that we are doing our part super successfully. So let me know, guys, if you guys are finding value, guys. I know I have you here, but if you do have any question, please feel free, because we are here trading with Irving. We are on fire, guys. That's what Team with Irving is on fire. Boom! Team with Irving is on fire. And that's what I'm talking about, guys. Here, trading multiple time frame, you always gonna be on fire. That's exactly what we're doing. So this Euro USD worked out so damn perfect, guys. So I told you guys the market still had potential to drop. It did, and then it came back to your 23.6 Fibonacci, and then I said market was gonna come back and retest your 38. It's doing that, and then boom, market will continue now as a buy position. Why a buy? Because the buyers are in charge. Here's the buyers, and here's the buyers again. Here's the buyers again. So that means the trend here is only bullish. It's only bullish, guys. What do you else think the market is doing? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard do not lie, guys. Everything here is bullish, except the 50 minute and 30 minute is giving us a sell position. So far, guys, so far, how many pairs have we analyzed? Remember, we are in the month of September, guys. So here trading multiple time frame is super easy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. So 4 pairs are 100% on point. That is a mess. That is awesome. awesome, guys. All right, let's analyze the next one. Guys, let me know in the comment below if you guys have any question. Anyway, since you are already here, just type whatever question, comment below if you guys want me to analyze any of your pair differently for next week and so on, so I can help you out. And hopefully you guys are finding value on this video. If you are finding value, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also drop any question that you may have so I can help you out. So and tomorrow we're gonna go live, guys, so come and join us and you will be amazed. All right, the next pair that I give you guys on Sunday was USD JPY. Let's go. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday, guys, the market here still has potential to drop down. Look at this, guys, and here all this data, guys. Remember, here on our channel we love to analyze data that does not exist yet. All this data was not available on Monday, neither on Tuesday, neither today. Today is just real time. Tomorrow is Thursday, and Friday we don't know. So we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, but we can do a weekly analysis and you will be amazed of what you're gonna be getting. So what did I say on Sunday? I said on Sunday, guys, the market still has potential to drop down, retest your mid 50 to your 38 Fibonacci line, which it did. Look at this one. This candle made it. Boom, boom, perfect hit. From there, what else did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 61.8 Fibonacci line. Look at the candle. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Boom. And what else did I say from there? Market now is gonna go sell because we had the sellers here taking over. Look at the sellers, guys, and that's exactly what the market is doing. So that is amazing, guys. Oh my goodness. So look, guys, so we analyzed 5, guys. Look at, we're gonna go back. Look, AUD USD, it was a perfect setup that we gave you on Sunday. So I know we're not giving you signal, nothing like that, but everything here it is important. Look, AUD USD, perfect hit. What was USD Canadian doing? Another perfect hit. Look at the Euro GBP. What's Euro GBP doing? Perfect hit. Euro USD, what is Euro USD doing? Perfect hit. And look at that, USD JPY, boom. If you have to count pips, we have only 2 trades here. Look at that, 424 pips, right? You know what, let's bring the calculator so you can see it. All right, so let's count it together, right? Let's count it together, because look at here. So we have 424.8 pips plus, let's see what USD Canadian has, plus USD Canadian has another 535.5 pips. Just on these 2 trades alone, we have 960 pips. That could be $9,000, could be $96, could be 900, could be $9. There is money to be made, guys, trading multiple time frames. All you have to do is come and join us. The link is on the description of this video, and let's go, guys. So what are we doing today? That is the question of the day, guys. What are we doing today? All we're doing today is we are doing our Forex midweek forecast. Make sure you subscribe. So this is just a follow-up of the video that we created on Sunday. So if you don't ever want to miss our weekly analysis, make sure you do subscribe. The link is here on the below. It's TWEForexsystem.com. So www.TWEForexsystem.com. So welcome and thank you for joining us on our Forex midweek forecast, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on our live session. Make sure you do subscribe and share this video with as many fellow traders that you know. And God bless our beautiful nation, and God bless you and the world as well. Thank you, guys. Hasta mañana.